Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TUES. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down. So Thursday and then Friday broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy price movement the past couple of days, and then you factor in the above average volume, especially the late day volume here, and a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we'll talk about levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $2.20. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $2.20, that does not mean that the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above $2.20, that would definitely be a huge step and a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 220 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Couple areas stand out. The first one is this former resistance from earlier on in the day, and that sits right there about $2.35. If the bulls can push back up through that one, the next level is just simply where the party stopped today, up around the 2.45 mark. All in all, though, very nice movement, good solid volume, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum next week or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.